my channel. If you're new, I'm Caroline and welcome. Guys, I'm at my mom's. Who's we? I traveled to Ohio to see my brother. And to help my mom like organize and declutter. So hopefully I could get some video for you guys too. I can show you guys what we do, but I want to... I look so crazy. I will not start the video now. Wait till I get ready. Good morning, guys. I look crazy. I just washed my face, brushed my teeth, took a shower. I'm gonna go get coffee and start the day. Good morning. Good morning. Good morning, pretty girl. Good morning. Okay, come on. Good morning. Good morning. Hi, boy. Hey, Adam. Good morning. Adam, what you doing, boy? Hey, say good morning to my vlog. Say good morning. I'm the cutest baby in the world. Say it. Hi. Hi, sweet boy. Hey.
Saw you from across the room. When our eyes met, I never knew.
I want to show you guys my outfit because everything but my shirt is my mom's. And, you know, I'm not that bougie, but I am today. We're going on a cruise lunch. Who is she? So I'm gonna show you guys my outfit. Okay, so check out the Gucci hat. It's not mine, but we're gonna pretend it is. No one knows any better. And then my shirt is from Shein. I got these, I don't know where she got these. Ma, where are these pants from? These pants are from Forever 21. I had some Gucci sandals, but they were tight on my feet and I'm swollen because I've been eating like an animal. So I just put the Tory Burch shoes on. So cute. I'm mixing brands, but who cares? I'm bougie. I'm just kidding, guys. No, but seriously, I feel cute. Anyways, we dressed the baby. I'm going to show you guys just now. Ooh, you like massage? Oh, yeah. Talk to me. Talk to me.
That I could feel this way.
Look at it. This is just for his little heart. Every toe has a purpose, an organ that it covers. Wow. I might have made that up. I think so. That's why I say wow. Wow. Gee, I said that and mommy goes wow. She's right like this girl full of crap. Look, he never stays this still. Okay, let me stop and see if he moves. Okay, keep going. I'm just kidding. You're the cutest brother. Okay, let's do a little sucking sound. Gee, look at the sock! I mean, it should be illegal to be this cute, brother. He's laughing when you like. Yeah, you're too cute. Let's see if this fits. I know because that's 6 months. Mama don't put you nothing. You're 9 months already. We're putting 6. Okay, so he's over here looking like a whole Rico Suave. Can we show them your hat, sir? Hold on. Look at the cuteness. It's too much. Hi, honey. Hi. Okay, he doesn't want the hat. Oh, snap. You're about to fall, sir. Whoa. Okay, Jack. Here. I'm sorry. Look. I made him mad with the hat. And then my mom is ultra bougie. Mom, let's show them your outfit. Model for me. Ooh, who is she? Okay, she has the Gucci slides. And then a Gucci hat. Put your head down a little. Thank you. And where's your top from? I'm being so extra. Ooh, we got an Express, y'all. Why not get an Express shirt? I got my Sheen shirt.
And then Amazon.
Ooh, okay. We're doing a little high and low. I see you. I'm going to go get my watch, put on some lipstick, because your girl's looking a little... Huh? Ooh, let's go look at the sunglasses, y'all. I'm sweating. You see, being cute is hard, y'all. It's hard. I'm sweating. I made a mess. Okay. The light's not on in here, but this lady got glasses for days. Y'all see why I feel bougie? Let's see. I always get the sunglasses thing in my makeup and it makes me mad. Okay, I'm not gonna put them on just yet. Oh, whatever. Let's go for it. These. Or, wait, I think I like these. Okay, so. Okay, I'm definitely not cool enough to wear these, but I'm gonna try them on. Guys, I'm being so silly. Hey guys, if you're new to my channel, welcome. I swear I'm joking. Well, because obviously none of this is mine. It's my mom's. She's the real bougie. But I'm just trying to be funny. Anyways, I could never wear these. I'm not cool enough. Did I even tell you guys what we're doing? We're going to a lunch cruise. How stinking cute. Okay. Let's put these here. Get my watch. Alright, so next time you guys see me, in a couple seconds, I'll be probably on the boat or getting on. Let's go.
I'm thinking you were made for me. Isn't it my birthday?
It's so nice. This is an aquarium here. We're in Cleveland, by the way. We're covering him from the sun.
Baba's chilling.
Oh, we fancy. We got sangria. That's your sangria right there.
Every change has a reason.
Hi, sweet boy. He's a whole mood.